Last time, the given is a pair of supplementary angles, so a pair of opposite angles of an isosceles trapezoid. Now, let's try if the given are base angles of an isosceles trapezoid. Let's use this trapezoid CABO, and the given will be angle C, and angle A. Angle C is 3x plus 30, and angle A is x plus 90. Like I've said last time, the first step that we have to do is to identify the theorems involved in this set of angles. In this case, the given are two base angles. And according to the theorem, the base angles of an isosceles trapezoid are congruent. Therefore, these two given sets of rays are equal. So what we're going to do is to make these two equal. Let's move this trapezoid for a while. Okay. Then the next step, we have to solve for the value of x. So in order to do that, we need to transpose all those terms with x on the other side of the equation and these constants on the other side. Then we have to simplify. Let's simplify 3x minus x equals 90 minus 30. It will now become 2x is equal to 60. The x will now become 30. Now that we have the value of x as 30, we then plug in this value, or we then substitute this value to the given equation for the angles. We could pick any of the angles a while ago because we know that these two angles are congruent. Let's use the angle A because angle A is a much simpler equation than the angle C. From x plus 90, substituting this x, it will now become 30 plus 90. And what is 30 plus 90? That is equal to 120 degrees. So we now know that the value of angle A is 120 degrees. And we can assume that the value of angle C is also 120 degrees, since these two angles are base angles and they are congruent. In order to get the values of the other two angles here below, we know that these two angles here are supplementary. So we just subtract 120 from 180 and we will be able to get the value of this angle, which is 60. And since this angle over here is also a base angle, we know that the other angle on the other side is also 60 degrees.